Ready? Okay. Hello, this is Mrs. Derringer's class, 4th grade science experiment. Today we're going to learn about volcanoes through the water bottle lava lamp. This is actually a chemical reaction. The first thing you want to do is make sure that if you have an apron, to put on your apron to cover up your clothes. Because we're using food coloring, they could get on your clothes. If you don't have an apron, make sure you're very careful so you don't go home with the colors on your clothes. The first thing we want to do is look at our materials. The materials that we need to experiment are bottles of water. So we have a few bottles of water here. Vegetable oil. Here we have some vegetable oil. We can also use corn oil. Corn oil is a little different consistency and gives more or less bubbles. Liquid food coloring. So here we have some food coloring available from the store. It has all 4 primary colors: yellow, blue, red, and green. And then we have some Alka-Seltzer. It doesn't have to be Alka-Seltzer brand. It could be Equate. So that's what we have. Now for your science experiment, we've portioned out some containers with Alka-Seltzer or antacid tablets, which we'll need for our science experiment. So these will be available to you. Today we're going to use some Alka-Seltzer out of the box. To begin our science experiment, first of all, we want to take one of our bottles of water. We want to open it up. Now this is a full bottle of water. We want to pour out 3/4 of the water, which will leave us how much water left? 1/4.
Which we need to do half.
So estimate, but right there is about 1/4. Now what we need to do is fill the bottle back up with our vegetable oil or corn oil. I'll do Davey's first.
Okay.
Got most of it in the bottle, some of it on the table. That's okay. Now, that looks really cool, like a lava lamp. Now we want to take some of our colors and experiment with different colors for our lava lamp. Since we're studying volcanoes, we'll take red. I'm going to make mine red so it looks like lava from a real volcano. So I'm going to put in 5 drops. What color do you want, Davey?
How about all of them mixed?
Okay, put a couple of each.
5 of each?
Sure.
Okay.
Now we're going to mix it up a little bit. Wow, look at it. Isn't that neat? Okay. Okay, while Davey's putting his color in, I want to start the next step of the science experiment, where I'm going to put in Alka-Seltzer. When we put in Alka-Seltzer, we do what we call a chemical reaction. We're taking water and the chemical and the Alka-Seltzer, and we're making a gas. So I'm going to start with 1 Alka-Seltzer. It's probably best to use just 1. If you use too many, then you'll have a real supercharged volcano, and that could be a little messy. We also want to make sure that we don't put the cap back on the bottle, because the bottle's going to be under pressure. And if you add pressure to a closed container, what's going to happen is it's going to explode. Then you got a real big mess. So here's some Alka-Seltzer. Here's some more Alka-Seltzer. Don't need to shake it up. Let's just watch the fun. See all the bubbles?
Yeah, can I have some Alka-Seltzer?
You bet.
Like as much as you did?
Okay, so I got a nice red lava lamp going. All the pretty bubbles.
What color is that?
David's got a little bit of a yellow, blue, red, and green volcano. Call that a kaleidoscope.
Okay, I'll name it the Kaleidoscope Volcano. She already
See
named
the pretty
it
lava
that.
lamp?
He said it.
Wow, look at Davy's lava lamp. That is pretty cool.
That's how it's supposed to go. Oh, bubbles go from the bottom to the top,
That's right.
up, and then they go down and some point pop.
That's right.
But if the color's too dark, you can't see the bubbles
We'll
coming
put
out
them
of
next
the
to
dark.
each other, and we'll get a nice
It's too
close-up.
dark. That one. Bottom.
Well, I gotta say, Davy, I like yours.
You,
That was a good
do you
choice
love
of colors.
yours?
Yeah, but yours is really cool.
You love mine more? Yes or no?
Okay. Well, that's it for our science experiment. Thanks for watching, and good luck, and have fun. See you later.